Okay.
Looks great.
Smells great too.
아, 맛있겠다.
그리고 명이 나는 거.
I think I should have gave you a little bit to taste first, but now that's
okay, go for it.
too late.
울릉도 호박이 육지 호박보다 좀 당도가 높다. 아, 단맛이 많이 난다 그러더라고요.
Here you go.
Thank you. Shall we cheers?
Yes. Cheers.
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 To 울릉도.
To 울릉도. It's a bit like red wine, taste-wise. It's a bit like red wine, but with sparkling, like fizziness.
It's like a light red wine, actually.
Right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
And I love the feels like I'm a dog.
아, 저 그릇에 먹으니까.
So let's try the main dish, guys.
Yes.
Oops.
By the way, I did a mistake because usually in Korean culture, who is the most adult, I mean, who is the most mature,
제대로 배웠네요, 베네딕트.
제가 좀 꼰대. Who is the most adult, I mean, who is the most mature. Takes first.
Really? That's how Chris.
Who is the most mature. Takes first.
Really? That's how Chris.
That's Chris.
That happened already. It is very good. It's great, huh?
Whatever works.
See what works for you.
The important thing is that with this delicious food, that's simple. Who?
I put it here.
Very good, huh?
This one's great.
It's very good. Ben.
근데 지난주부터 느낀 건데 친구들이 매운 걸 곧잘 먹네요.
저도 좀 놀랐어요, 그 부분.
It's not working today. Yesterday it was working too good.
This, she said, you can eat it with rice.
Okay.
So, for example, you can like this. You can do like this. Look, it's a bit hard technique. You do like this.
아, 저거 너무 하드 테크닉이다. 와. 와.
최고 레벨이지, 최고 레벨. 아.
Ah, cool.
Almost like sushi. Like
Wow.
almost like sushi. Like
Wow.
like sushi.
Cool.
I don't think I'm gonna manage that. No.
I'll try it.
Seaweed soup, I would say. Soup.
Okay.
It's very good. The taste of the sea, like really good.
Who would
Not
have,
bad, huh?
who would have imagined by three
잘했어, 잘했어, 잘했어.
성공적이에요,
잘했어, 잘했어.
would be here with me eating in Ul릉도, eating Korean, actual Korean food.
어.
Food.
It's really good.
This was 40 people.
This is really good. I really love this.
It's quite sticky rice, this.
This is, yes. It's different from the rice in Malta.
Yes, that's what I'm noticing.
The rice in Malta is longer and this is sticky. It's more separated in Malta.
I mean, you find different types of rice, to be fair.
근데 몰타에서도 쌀을 많이 먹나 봐요.
네, 저희가 베이크드 라이스라고 그 치즈 볶음밥이랑 좀 비슷하다고 할 수 있을 것 같아요. 네, 그래서 한국 밥알이랑은 좀 다르긴 한데 근데 밥 먹긴 해요. 네.
소위 이제 바람쌀인가 보다. 바람쌀. 이게
그런가 봐, 날리는 거.
날리는 밥.
You can try other things also.
I would say. Okay. It's very good. It tastes of the sea. Like it's as if you're drinking seawater, but like it's really good.
바닷물 마시는 것 같은데.
맞아.
진짜 맛있나 봐.
정확한 표현이네.
맛있어.
It's really good.
There's also this is very good.
It's true, you can taste the sea within this.
You are hungry, bro.
Oh, try this now.
Always
반이라도 왔는데.
많이 배고팠네.
맛있게 먹네.
Way off. Way off.
We have more stuff coming, right?
2 more dishes.
For me, it's special that you're here, and I wanted to take this one as special.
되게 미니어처 전복 같다.
네, 맞아. Similar to this.
Thank you. So this is the barnacle, right?
Yes.
The barnacle. Very good. You can definitely taste the sea.
Yeah. It's really good.
One of the things that they do is that before they start a meal, they have this saying, which basically translates to 8 out of 10.
Places where it's common for people to live over 100 years. And this guy went around these places and he was studying why they're able to live over 100. And one of them was actually I think it was an Asian place or like a little village in Asia that was actually where
You brought this.
yes,
So basically bibimbap. We can add 1 spoon of this. This is kim, and this is dried seaweed. It's really good. In Korea, we call it kimbap.
Okay.
So we can eat it with this. Also, this we can eat it with the rice.
Okay.
Recommended
Nagbopse.
It's good with either this or the kim.
They go really well.
As well as sea urchins.
Yeah. That's what
Do they eat them in Korea?
Have you tried it with the gim?
Yes, it's the first thing I tried. Delicious, huh? Delicious. The kim is really has a really good texture, like crunchy.
Yes.
Can I have a piece?
Try it. You can take it with
I'm
your
just gonna
hand.
have it by itself.
By itself?
I do recommend some rice.
Me too. He's a savage.
Really good.
He's a savage.
Really good.
아, 그 조미김만 그냥 먹는 것도 너무 맛있어.
맛있죠.
Now it's illegal in Malta to get them now.
Now excuse me if I sound rude, but I love the way that you move, and I see me.
Bun, because it's more delicious than I imagined.
When I was younger,
I can disguise all these crazy thoughts in my mind now.
I've tried Korean food from Malta.
Yeah.
It's not the same. I think you can notice that it's not the same.
This is no. Taste.
This is the real Korean
Real deal.
Korean food.
I mean, to be fair, this is even more authentic because of the fact that it's from Ulungdo, we're here.
What was the biggest thing you wanted to try when you came to Korea?
Live octopus, which we tried yesterday, and the dog shrimp I really want to try as well.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the Dr. Shrimp mainly.
Looks huge from what I saw in the picture.
Stuff like this.
I want to try the octopus, sannakji, sannakji. I'd love to try shellfish personally.
And the dog shrimp I really want to try as well.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the Dr. Shrimp mainly.
We're making history.
It resembles the duck, so
These are quite different.
let's do cheers again. This time for Dokto.
Cheers, boys. How do you say cheers in Korean?
Konbe.
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 Yeah.
There's the crushed ice dessert. What's it called? With the pea?
Pat bingsu. Pat is the what do you call it? The bean.
Bingsu.
Bingsu.
Yeah.
Would you like to try
Have
it?
it here?
Of
course.
There,
Of course. Let's try it. Yes.
I see. Let me tell you what. Let's go out first, and then we go find it.
Ben, we need to leave them a note ourselves. We need to write.
Yes, we want to.
Let me ask. 혹시 포스트잇 있어요? 이거 붙이는 거? 저희도 한마디 쓰고 가고 싶은데. Let's write dinner. 네. 감사합니다.
Thank you. It's getting better. Thank you. You give them with two hands.
Respect.
Yeah, that's nice. I read about it.
진짜 공부 많이 하고 왔네, 아드리안.
그러니까.
I'm gonna put mine here. What did you write?
I said me too. Very good. Very good. So we'll go for dessert. Let's go.
Thanks, man, for telling me. It's really cool to get one like this. And at least
No,
in
it
my
isn't.
area.
It isn't.
In my
It
area,
isn't.
like you
No?
need to go.
Coffee and dessert.
Let's cross, boys.
So what's this one? Look.
Cross, boys.
Let's go. Think so.
Love it.
I think it's from here.
Gilkin.
Gleam, I think. Gleam. 안녕하세요.
안녕히 가세요.
빙수 있어요? 네, 여기 메뉴에 있어요, 빙수. 독도 빙수. 그게
독도 빙수?
독도 빙수? 3명. 그러면은 독도 빙수 하나 주문할게요. Can sit there. What is going on?
I was tickling.
You know So now we relax a bit here,
Okay.
and then we can go to see
Could you
the
reiterate what this is that we're taking?
like ice with topping bean toppings on it.
Bean? Green beans.
Yeah. Mr. Bean. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
와, 태극기 잘하네.
그러니까 진짜 바다에 떠 있는 섬처럼 그렇게 만들었네요.
접시에다가.
Oh.
오케이.
와.
Wow, perfect. Wow.
감사합니다.
먼저 드셔보시고
네, 감사합니다.
Let me take a picture.
Yes.
It's really yeah, pretty.
Yes.
Wow.
Get the Korean flag.
I thought it would be with a straw, to be honest.
I had no idea. I had no idea what.
Me too, actually.
Chris, as the elder.
Do we just?
First,
what do you
just
do with that?
try it first.
아 우유 빙수다 우유 빙수. 아 이것도 새롭. 이거는
입에 넣자마자 녹죠.
기분 좋지 이거.
It's great. It's like ice cream.
We can try it. We can try it.
You allow us?
You go ahead. I allow you.
We allowed?
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Very good. It has some kind of jelly also.
Gelatin kind of thing. Yeah, I was gonna say. I grabbed quite a big piece of it.
I like it.
I want more of this. This is a sweet topping. What was it called? Yeonyu mashe yeonyu.
Yeonyu?
Yes, yeonyu.
And what is it made of? You're gonna check.
Condensed milk, it's saying.
Ah, it's just condensed milk? Okay.
So, for example, we can make a hole here. Look, and we can pour the.
This one?
Yes. Very nice. Now this is sweet. It's good.
Okay.
Try it with the ice cream, with the bingsu.
So this is ice cream.
You can call it.
Delicious.
That's right.
That's really good. Really good.
Make another hole.
Very good, right?
Yes.
What's going on?
I made a mess. Sorry.
Really good.
That's very sweet. Understand.
So this is the beans I was talking to you about. If you want, you can mix it with that.
Let's try the beans.
But I need a good night's sleep.
Yes.
Yeah?
Tissue here. Tissue. Ah, okay.
Okay. One is tissue.
Ah, sweet beans. Sweet beans. Yeah, this is really good, huh? This one.
The sauce, right? Let me find what it is. Yeah, quite sweet.
Here's a famous song.
Sugar. That's very sweet. Understand.
The really original one, as I said, is pat bingsu with beans. So it will come out with the topping all over. But this is quite special also. It's really good.
And you get to decide what you want in the next bite. It's nice.
Tok bingsu.
Was just gonna pour this all over.
Don't deny it, it's a riot. Y'all feeling funk, so we came and supplied it. Not a little bit.
So on a toothpick. It's quite pretty.
Yes.
I might take it as a souvenir.
Yeah.
This is unlimited.
I want a Korean flag.
Me too, me too.
Take home and take a Korean flag.
Something. You know.
And from now on, I think in like football World Cup or I think from now on, Korea will be my second.
Yes. In South Korea, I guess there are several islands, not just Jeju and Ulungdo.
Yes.
There are more, and I imagine some of them are developed and some of them are untouched, like Ulungdo.
It's true. I think some places are
Need to stay.
Agreed.
They need to stay as they are, like 울릉도.
Yeah.
뭐 보면서 힐링되네 이건. 보면서 힐링돼요.
You can go.
I go to the bathroom.
혹시 여기 좀 유명한 음식 좀 추천해 주시겠어요?
울릉도는 물이 깨끗하잖아요.
네.
그래서 천전지역이기 때문에 따개비 밥도 괜찮고 그다음에 또 오삼불고기, 오징어하고 삼겹살하고 야채하고 섞어서 양념.
섞어서?
양념해갖고 이렇게 직접 써서 드시면 돼요.
맛있겠네요. 그러면
외국이니까
네.
따개비밥 2개하고 오삼불고기 2개하고 드셔보세요.
그럴까요? 네, 일단 그렇게 해주세요.
예.
감사합니다. Da får vi akkurat som bestilt, da. Så får vi Ja, det er vi bestilte. Ja, hva får vi? Da får vi 2 stykker ris med de sjøsnegler oppi. Ja. Og så får vi da en blanding av 오삼불고기 og 오징어불고기, som er på en måte blandet oksekjøtt og blekksprut. Ja. Men i hvert fall tror jeg det skal være jævlig godt. Da. Så vi deler det på oss 4 stykker, så får vi bare prøve å se hva det er. Nei, men hvis det er i bulgogistil, så regner jeg med han er stekt på et vis eller fritert i panna. Ja. Jeg gleder meg til å prøve. Ja, jeg gleder meg til å prøve. Så lenge den holder seg nede i magen, så er jeg fornøyd. Med sånn flytelementer. Ja, det er Oi. Se, ja. Er det hotpot-greier, eller er det Det er noe sånt. Det er til antakeligvis bulgogien som vi bestilte nå.
이 오삼불고기예요.
Her, ja.
너무 맛있지. 아, 그냥 오징어도 아니고 울릉도 오징어일 거 아니야, 저거.
Ja, det ser veldig godt ut. Nå ble jeg ikke noe mindre sulten. Nei, jeg kjente den igjen på skilten nå. Ja, nå kom den. Oi.
반찬이랑 부족하면 얘기하세요.
명이구나. 울릉도 명이.
Så det er så mange forskjellige. Det har vi fått før.
이게 울릉도 대표 나물 부지깽이 나물이에요. 부지깽이 나물.
Har vi noe frukt? Nei. Desperat? Dere sa det her var en slags type
시래기가 아니고 울릉도 엉겅키. 울릉도 약초. 울릉도 약초로 끓인
설명이 너무 어려워요. 한국 한식 설명이 너무 어렵다, 진짜.
끓일 테니까 조금만 기다리세요.
네.
이제 따개비밥 가져올게요.
Thank you. Skal vi se her. Så her sa du det var noe Ulungdang er kjent for type, jeg tror det er sånn type bønnestenger eller noe. Ja. Ulungdang er kjent for.
따개비밥 나왔습니다.
Oi, enda mer.
약간 전복 내장밥 같기도 하고.
그렇다. 아예 그걸로 밥을 해줬나 봐. 어머, 또 뭐 들어있어.
맛있겠다. 저거. 너무 맛있겠다 저거. 와.
진짜 맛있겠다.
가보고 싶죠? 진짜 맛있겠다. 저기다 오삼불고기 좀 이렇게 팍. 와. 부럽죠?
자, 이 밥을 할 때 밑간을 했거든요. 밥을
Så da kan man bare blande det opp. Blande det? Ja.
간장에 소스 조금 넣고
Så hell litt av det her oppi. Ok. Hvor mye? Bare bitte litt. Sånn? Det er nok. Og så blande. Og så blande det. Rent. Er den ute av skjellet, eller er den inni? Det ser veldig deilig ut. Du kan bare blande det med skje også, forresten. Spennende. Jeg går for deg nå.
이거 올려갖고 오시나 밥에다 이거 올려갖고.
Ok. 와. 달려드릴게요.
명이나무는 식당에서 반칙 중에 반칙이거든요.
네, 이렇게 잡수세요. 이제.
Så du legger den oppi, og så bare
네, 맞아요.
spiser du den?
Ok.
Sånn som det her. Ah. Det var digg bra. Det var sykt digg. Herregud, det var godt. Bra. Ja.
여기다 덜어갖고 이거 밥에다 덜어갖고 오시면
Det var veldig godt.
아, 또 집중력. 네, 집중하기 시작했어요.
Knallgod.
Ja.
Er det vi aldri skjønner hva er.
Ja. Jeg skulle til å spørre deg, hva er dette?
Hva er det vi kaller det? Sånn...
Den er god.
아, 저거 무슨 맛인지 알 것 같은데 내가 상상하는 맛보다 100배 맛있을 거 아니야.
그렇겠지.
아, 너무 힘들다, 진짜.
Å, herregud. 진짜 이런 맛있는 오징어 처음 먹어봐요.
네. 아, 감사합니다.
깜짝 놀랐어요.
Der er blikkesen, ja.
Ja, god nok. Skal du kjøpe til, Bård?
Jeg kommer gjerne for det med. Vær så god. Skal du ikke ta med en andre? Jeg tar jo gjerne litt av alt.
Det er ikke skrudd ned varmen, dette her.
Ja. Men det er jo litt kult da, at det er forskjell.
Det er virkelig stor forskjell.
At det kan at de er flinkere her.
아, 집중력 보소.
Jeg vet ikke, jeg er sulten. Den kommer til å velte.
God blekksprø, da.
Ja.
Jeg er ferdig å spise, jeg. Jeg òg.
Jeg tror jeg er ferdig selv.
Skal vi betale?
Ja,
Det er ikke snakk, ja.
det...